We are together with a rich video. Personal finance management and budgeting are crucial skills for achieving financial stability and reaching long-term financial goals. Creating and sticking to a budget is the foundation of good personal finance management. It allows individuals to understand their income and expenses, identify areas where they can cut back, and make sure they are saving enough for the future. One of the first steps in budgeting is to track your income and expenses. This can be done by keeping receipts, monitoring bank and credit card statements, and recording all of your purchases. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, you can identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more money towards savings and investments. Saving and investing are important components of personal finance management. Building an emergency fund, which is a savings account used for unexpected expenses, is a crucial step in protecting against financial setbacks. Investing in a retirement account, such as a 401k or IRA, is also important for ensuring a financially secure future. Another key aspect of personal finance management is reducing debt. This can be done by paying off high-interest credit card debt and making a plan to avoid taking on new debt. Additionally, it is important to understand the different types of loans and the terms and conditions associated with them. Finally, it is important to stay informed about the latest personal finance trends and strategies. This can be done by reading financial publications, attending financial workshops, and speaking with a financial advisor. Overall, personal finance management and budgeting are ongoing processes that require discipline and dedication. By understanding your income and expenses, saving and investing for the future, reducing debt and staying informed, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals.